Number 74, Chinese River Flowing by Rhoda. We are in our G major scale again, and we're starting off with our G on our E string, that low two. So you can walk yourself up to that, and it'll sound a little minor at first. E, F sharp, G, but that's how you're gonna be able to find that G and have it be nice and pure. So nice and flowing. It's in the name, so flowing. You have to have that bow flow. So let's just go through the notes real quick so that you can have those low twos across the board or on the A and the E. So G, F, E, G, F, E, B, 2, 3, 4, G, F, E, G, F, E. So that's a fast E, D, C, B, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, B, A, G, F sharp, 2, 3, 4, E, F sharp, G, C natural, B, A, G, F, E. All right, so we sound a little bit on the minor side because we're kind of revolving around that E as well, so it's more of an E minor. So let's take it from the beginning. Nice and easy. It's andante. So like walking almost. 1, 2, ready, flow. 2, 3, lift. 2, 3, 4. 4. What will really help you with this piece would be to subdivide when you're playing your eighth notes, or when you're playing your half notes, to subdivide with eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1. And you have that retardando at the end to help you out too. So good luck.